As the leaves turn golden and the air gets crisp, nothing says fall quite like the smell of a homemade apple pie baking in the oven. Today, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of making the ultimate classic apple pie, warm, spiced, and perfect for any fall gathering. Let's start with the ingredients for the crust. You'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, chilled, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water. For the filling, 6 cups of peeled and sliced apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. To make the crust, combine the flour, salt, and sugar in a large bowl. Cut in the butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough forms. Divide it into 2 halves, wrap them, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or 220 degrees Celsius. Roll out 1/2 of the dough and gently place it into your pie dish. In another bowl, mix your sliced apples with sugar, lemon juice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Pour this spiced apple mixture into the prepared crust. Roll out the second half of the dough and cover the pie. Cut a few slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape. Place your pie in the oven and bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 30 minutes, until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let your pie cool before serving. A slice of this classic apple pie is more than just dessert, it's tradition. The perfect balance of sweet, spiced apples wrapped in a flaky, buttery crust will have everyone asking for seconds. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade apple pie, a recipe that warms hearts and homes alike. Be sure to check out this video for more.